Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, beg to mention for listing of a fresh writ petition, lordship. Matter is, petitioners are aggrieved by the NIT published by ASTC Jorhat, lordship. Whereby, lordship, they were already settled in the
When
allotment.
is the last date?
Lordship, this is a fresh writ petition.
When is the last date for submission of your bid?
Lordship, already the NIT has been
Decided.
settled with
Okay,
lordship.
settled. So
Lordship,
you're
but
challenging the settlement.
lordship, but there is an eviction order from this honorable court, lordship. That also we have challenged by filing an review. And we are challenging the NIT and the allotment order and award, lordship.
Review,
So,
so who has to decide the review?
Lordship, that is by single judge, lordship.
Which judge? Not me.
Lordship,
Not by.
not before you, but lordship, only the NIT and the subsequent contract order and allotment.
You're challenging the NIT.
Lordship, that was published arbitrarily.
And you took part.
Lordship, we could not take part because that was challenged in the arbitrary manner, lordship. We were
Okay,
already
when do you want?
settled.
When do you want?
Lordship, tomorrow, lordship.
Not tomorrow, day after?
Day after tomorrow, lordship.
They are
Published.
May please your lordship, my lord, yesterday I have filed an IA for correction of the minor correction of adjustment. May
Yeah.
please, my humble prayer for listing on Friday, your lordship.
Okay.
May I please, lordship? I beg to mention item number 2, lordship. Matter is in first, lordship. I
Okay.
have already made comment.
Okay. Mr.
P. Sharma.
P. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the writ petition has become infructuous as the subsidy has been paid to the
Yes, sir.
petition. So, on the prayer of Mr. P. Sharma, the writ petition is closed as infructuous.
Okay. I'm for respondent number 123, lordship.
At Mr.
N. Kalita, lordship.
N. Kalita appears for respondent number 123.
May I please, lordship, beg to mention item number 5, lordship.
Yes.
With the illness of P. Hazarika, lordship, engaged in this matter, lordship, the medical ground, lordship, that this matter may come up. Lordship,
Forest royalty.
No,
Yes,
lordship,
yes.
I'm not there, lordship.
Oh, you're not there. On the prayer
Interim
for
also
a.
there.
Huh?
Interim also there, lordship. Interim.
Have you spoken to the other side? Have you
No.
spoken to the
No,
respondents
lordship,
council?
I'm petitioner, lordship.
I know, Mr. Council, you want to ask for adjournment.
Yes,
You
yes.
should take their consent first. Have you taken their consent?
Yes, yeah, Assam, lordship, opposition.
Lordship, otherwise I was a petitioner in one of the item, Lordship, that was disposed of by this coordinate bench of this.
Yeah.
So it is covered.
Covered matter. That's
I
what
can give
I'm
him
saying.
the petition.
By Justice Barwa's judgment.
Yes, yes.
That's what even I was thinking. You wait. You wait. Yes.
No, I'm not in this matter, lordship, kindly, on next week, lordship.
On the, you have not even spoken to the other side. On the prayer for adjournment made on behalf of Mr. P. Hazarika, list the matter on Friday. Friday.
But I beg to mention for listing of a.
Huh?
For listing what is.
Just said the matter appears to be a covered matter. As it relates to the proposed deduction of forest royalty. Yes,
I beg to mention for listing of petition for motion, my lord, on Friday, my lord.
okay. Okay, Friday, how do you do that?
May please, your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a fresh review, Lordship, review petition. Friday,
Right.
Lordship.
No, Friday, review though I'll need to read a little bit more.
Monday,
Monday.
highly obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 1, lordship. This matter, Mr. R. Mozumdar is appearing. He is out of station, lordship. I've taken the consent of the other side. Lordship.
I'm waiting for the respondents.
Any objection?
No, no.
Okay, right. Adjournment prayer has been made on behalf of Mr. R. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Whose of the same is not objected to by Mr. M. R. Adhikari. Accordingly, list this matter
After a week, lordship.
after a week.
I think lordship can dispose of it.
I think so.
Thursday, madam.
I know non-renewal of the firm, that's all. It's a very simple matter. I don't know why.
Let it be on Thursday, madam.
You mean day after tomorrow? Okay, list the matter.
Oblige.
List the matter on Thursday.
May it please his lordship. May
Yes.
it please his lordship. I'm praying for listing of a WPC pertaining to settlement of ferry service lordship. May fix this matter on Friday.
Friday, okay.
My lord, I am praying for listing of matter because, my lord, there is, I need one observation that out of the court settlement can be made. Can it be taken next week?
Okay.
Monday. Deep.
I think we need for withdrawal.
So you have been given?
Lordship, no, Your Lordship. Lordship, actually, the petitioner herein was a proprietorship form earlier, but now due to some changes, Lordship, we have converted into a
Okay.
partnership form. And so we'd like to file it afresh, Your Lordship.
Okay, right. Mr.
SJ Soikla.
S.J. Cycle, learned counsel for the petitioner. Prays that he may be allowed to withdraw the writ petition, with liberty to file afresh, in as much as the petitioner firm has now been
Converted to partnership form, Your Lordship.
converted into a partnership firm.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. N. Kalita appears for respondents number
2, 3, 2, 3, 5 and 6.
2, 3, 5 and 6, while Mr.
Page 4. Correspondent number 4.
appears for respondent number 4. The prayer of the petition's counsel is allowed. Writ petition is dismissed as withdrawn with liberty to file afresh.
Hi, Your
May I please? Here, Malat, petitioner is against the impugning action of the Rohri Municipality Board, whereby he holding a particular unit, the sub-unit. He was without any notice, he was terminated and he is supposed to at that relevant point of time while the petition was filed, Malat allowed in the name of the respondent number 4. Sum and substance of the case is that he was allotted the initially he was allotted the job by Annexa A order, Malat.
Page
Page Malat 14, Malat. So accordingly, Malat,
page 14.
Malat. 12, Malat.
Just
This
a
is
minute,
type
just
out,
a minute.
relevant is,
Huh?
original is 14, relevant, Malat, type out is page 12, Malat. This is the order issued by the chairman, allotted the
For a period of 1 year.
Malat as stall number 2 at Laney Market in the municipality market, the ground floor, Malat. What happens subsequently, initially the petitioner,
So it is for 1 year,
Malat,
correct?
Malat,
Then,
what happened? Initially, the present petitioner's father, Malat, filed the petition. He was subsequently substituted because he expired.
when did the petitioner expire? Who filed the writ
Well,
petition?
during the petitioner, who against whose
You see, it was,
was elected.
Amjad Hussain.
Malot, he filed initially.
Amjad Hussain filed Amjad Hussain died when?
Malot, during the pendency of the petition, subsequently.
Okay, so during the pendency of now you see one thing. Where does it say that this is heritable? It is not your.
No, not,
What
my
is it?
fact is different, Malot.
Ah.
I'm coming, Malot. I just pointed out this is the allotment order for 1 year. But during the currency of that allotment order, by annexer B, Malot, on particular date, my partner, my business partner, the petition's business.
No, mister, there's no question of business partner here. There is no question of it is allotment has been made to Amjad Hussain. That's all.
Lordship, kindly, there is the page number 12 of their agreement.
Ah, yes.
The licenses shall not be allowed to sublet any portion,
Where, which part?
middle portion. my
Yes,
lord.
yes. The licensee shall not be
It
allowed
appears
to
that your
submit.
is not.
It should be sublet, not sublet.
He is subletting, my lord.
But whether
Yes,
I should place
Just
in
a
my
minute,
case
just
before
a
your
minute,
lordship
just
other side.
you see, the problem is unless you submit properly, you
That is
cannot.
why I try to
cannot
place my
hide
case
fact.
before your lordship.
No, no.
Lordship, can you bear with me
I will,
for
I
a
will.
while, my lord?
I will. Don't have to be, don't have to have your blood pressure go high. You see, now the thing is, you please see, you also have not been fair to the court.
No, that
Come
is
to
why
page
I'm
four.
pointing
Just,
out-
no, please, try
My
to
lord,
find out what I'm
definitely,
saying.
my lord.
Come to page 14.
My lord,
Come to page 14.
my lord.
Come to the 4th paragraph. Which paragraph? The licensee shall not. Have you got? Have you
My
got in the middle?
my lord.
The licensee shall not be allowed to, what does it say?
Sublet, typographical.
Just a minute.
Allow other person to occupy.
No,
the
no, shall not be
premises.
allowed to sublet. It says
My-
sublet.
my lord.
Now please come to your typed copy at page 12.
Well-
What have you said? Shall not be allowed to submit. You're trying to play around with this code.
My lord, it is not legible. That is why that added the element at five.
I can read it here. If I can read it from my copy,
That is not disputed, my lord. My lord, what is, that is why I placed.
no,
the-
because
The original is for your lordship. I am
No,
not
you see-
misleading your lordship.
no, because in your typed copy, you have given the wrong word.
Type out by the typist, my lord, definitely the original is for your lordship. I am not misleading your lordship. Why should I, my lord?
Okay,
I am
okay.
before your lordship for
Okay,
a relief,
okay.
my lord.
Okay, then what else?
That is why the item, the page number 14 is before your lordship. my lord.
Okay,
This is my
then,
document, my lord.
then what else?
Well, what I am placing that he was the ailing person. My lord, his eyes were very, some and substance case with this, his eye, due to his eyes problem, he wrote a letter, the respondent of 5 wrote a letter to the municipality authority. And along with that letter, there is an affidavit executed by the petitioner, that is not before your lordship in the writ petition, but in affidavit.
Who is respondent number 5?
That's one number 5 that who written this document, annex of B, page 15. Ismail Hussain is a business partner. Man.
He is a business partner.
Business partner.
Business partner of
Petitioner.
petitioner's father,
Mal.
Amjad Hussain.
Mal.
Okay, is there
He,
any?
he submitted a affidavit saying that this is happening to me. So since the I have to pay the monthly rent, my lord, for position of the that shop money. That is why he's saying that since I am in the here, let the his name may be transferred in my place so that business can be run properly. I am not disclosing. I am not misleading your lordship, neither that municipality authority, my lord. That is my case. Now, what happened, my lord? They annex C. They wrote a letter that is 13/10/2017. The
Page,
chairman,
page,
17, page 17. Minutes of the hearing of the Laili Market stall number 2, ground floor, between so and so and so and so. May I read, my lord?
yes, yes.
My lord, relevant person is that serial number 1, 2, and 3, my lord. After hearing the comment from all the 3 parties, the following decisions were taken. Amjad Hussain was absent because, my lord, he's ailing, he went to treatment. The Abdul Rahman Mullah, so and so, of Sri Ismail Hussain.
What is Demi? What is Demi of Ismail Hussain? What
That
is it?
means in his place, that
Okay,
that's one number 5
representative.
place that another, his father, the mullah was there, informed that his son, Mr. Ismail Hussain, could not attend the meeting, a hearing, as he was out of station due to some urgent personal matter. So he requested the authority for allocation of another date for final hearing. So and so, another person, Sipin Muhammad, informed that his statement that he deserved the first sons of from Sri Amjad Hussain, the writ petitioner, to mutated his shop at the ground floor number 2 in the name of Sri Muhammad and nearby shop. Further, he is also complained that the person approached that Sri Raswana 5 is not a resident of Dhubri town. So, being a taxpayer resident under Dhubri municipality area, the Sri Bin Muhammad should get muted. Due to the absence of the 2 parties, Ismail Hussain and Amjad Hussain, the House decided to call for another date for final hearing on intimate the office of course of the that ground number stall number 2 will be remain closed till then. Well, Annexa B, D, the executive official pays 18 mal. Dhuburi Municipality Board serve a notice to the petitioner to vacate the install number 2 at ground up for so and so there is the notice dated 15/5/2018. Therefore, Malad Annexa E Malad page 20, in spite of vacating the ban of the municipality authority was sealed and the stall was and the receipt was given. Malad, there is a pending amount on my part that has been paid and that was duly accepted by the municipality board. Therefore, the Annexa F is 23. The petitioner wrote a representation before the executive official. May I read that? So and so, I am the educated, employed, senior citizen of Dhuburi. I have no other source of income except this shop. Now I am under the treatment of eye specialist and doctor, diabetic doctor. I am a tenant of the stall number 2 since 19 so and so. I have cleared all the liabilities of your department before. Malad, it is informed that my main he requested to Malad, since the shop is chill cover, that is why he requested to withdraw that because he is clear all his dues. But authority concern has not want to obtain it from him. Malad, the Annexer Z is the medical certificate issued by the concerned doctor at the relevant point of time. That is the data dated 25/5/2018. Then Malad Annexer H, that is a Malad notice. Notice issued, that is 19/6/2018. Why this the municipality taxpayer of the Dhuburi municipal area are hereby informed that tender will be received from so and so on to.
Yes, so what do you want to see? That those are all facts. Now there's no point reading the entire thing.
They projected that in affidavit opposition, they given a chance. That means EOLOS has gone through that minutes. But in spite of that minutes, they in the affidavit, their contention is that we issued a notice to the petitioner to approach the authority, but no such notice. That is my case. No such notice was issued to me, and all of a sudden the Annexer A's notice, that is tender notice was issued.
So you're challenging the tender.
Madam. And first of all, EOLOS is having prima facie case, there is an interim order passed by this honorable court. Now, in the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2, the executive member of the municipality board, as per EOLOS's directions, the affidavit has been filed. But subsequently on 4/4/2024, while the matter was before Lordship, it was pointed out that the affidavit has been filed by a municipality executive in the name of executive in that member. Some other person has filed the affidavit. EOLOS is giving them an.
No, you see, the issue is, what do you want? What do you want? What is your prayer?
Well, my prayer is, I file a reply to the affidavit.
Mr. Counsel, this is a very simple question. What is your prayer in this writ petition?
My prayer is that process, which was without giving any notice, they have issued a tender.
Mr. Counsel,
that is illegal.
So the tender notice should be set aside.
Well, definitely the subsequent
So that
allotment
is
order, I am in the
now-
prayer person, the
Just a
subsequent
minute.
allotment order is also bad.
Mr. Counsel,
Well,
now the only issue is, your father has died. Your father was the allottee. It was an allotment from year to year. Now, once he dies, what right do you have? Is it a heritable right?
Why not?
The shop.
They have not even issued a notice to me. That is my.
Who are
my
you?
sum and substance of it is.
If your
The
father was,
principle of natural justice has been violated
your
by
father-
the state authority.
You don't want
Your
to
Lordship,
listen.
I am before Lordship, my lord, placing
You
the
don't
case,
want to,
my lord.
can I hear him? Just for, I'll hear you again. Just tell
My
me.
lord, I have filed my affidavit. Lordship may kindly come to my affidavit filed by executive officer,
Yes,
page number 62 onwards.
page 62, yes.
Yes. Pranjal Kumar Das.
Yes, what is their point? Go to the point.
My lord, I am coming.
Go to court.
I said,
What's wrong with that?
I said, I said. Sir. My lord, may I read, my lord?
Yes.
My lord.
Which paragraph do you want to read?
Paragraph
Not the
5
entire,
onwards.
huh?
Paragraph 5 onwards, may I-
No, I don't want to, just tell me the case.
My-
Please do not waste time.
My lord, then your lordship may come. Paragraph 5 is the important paragraph. With regard to the statement made in paragraph number 3 of the petition, the deponent does not admit the same as total correct. The deponent further begs to state that as per allotment order, the licensee shall not be allowed to sublet any portion of the allotted premises to anyone or transfer the
okay, I
use
got
of
it.
the said premises.
I got it. Now, one thing, when did he die, this person?
This,
The original writ petitioner?
During the pendency of the writ petition. it is
Pendency, that
just-
much I know, but I'm asking you the date.
My lord, I am coming, my lord. There is a miscellaneous application for substitution. of the writ
Substitution.
petitioner, my lord.
Oh, there is a substitution.
yes, sir.
When did he die? No, it'll be there in the petition, no.
Substitution of this person as well.
No, this is for a contempt.
Two cases, my lord. One is
My lord, I'm coming, I got it. My lord, 9 March 2022.
Basically, that's the case, I know. No, and there's nothing else besides that to decide. The only thing is whether the NIT should be set aside. That is your.
My lord,
That's
now, may I lordship, draw your lordship's attention? Initially, my lord, they filed, I submitted a reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 2, Sri Jintu, one Sri Jintu Bora. In the reply, my contention was very clear. I, my lord, annex, the annex 1 to that my lord, reply affidavit. My lord, I sought some information from the public information official, Dhubri Municipality Board. Page 73 of the, my lord, that, there are certain query were put before the public information official,
Yes, so,
page 73.
yes, so, I got it.
My lord, here the first query is whether Eastern Number ground floor the Lenny Marcus was put tender on so and so. If yes, please provide the copy of the tender. Yes, tender copy is enclosed. It is provided to me. Second query, whether the tender notice was published in newspaper. If please provide the copy of the newspaper. No, that was the answer. That is, it was not published in their contention before in the affidavit that
So,
it is published.
so it was not published.
But-
So
but-
you want a fresh publication of the NIT.
They disclosing certain document, but in the query, specific query, it says.
So, Mr. Counsel, please answer the question. So what you want is that a fresh NIT should be issued, correct?
My lord, definitely.
That is your prayer.
Without giving.
So that is your prayer, correct?
My lord.
That's all. Okay, so his prayer is that a fresh NIT should be issued. Since you did not publish in the newspaper.
my lord, I have duly published. My lord, record is available with me, my lord.
Show me that.
All record, I have annexed.
Show me the newspaper. Open it. Don't, please show me which newspaper. Show me the exact advertisement also. What is the shop number, by the way?
Stall number is stall number two.
Stall number
Ground
2.
floor, my lord, Lely
Huh?
Market.
Stall number 2.
Stall number 2, ground floor, Laney Market. Dhuri Municipality.
But I will search it, but
That is what you're trying to give me the file,
Lordship,
and
may-
even you
kindly
yourself can't
No, no,
even
no, no.
find
I
out.
have annexed everything from this record, my lordship may kindly come to my.
Mr.
affidavit, my
Counselor,
lord.
please, I asked you a question, please reply.
One,
We'll list this matter again.
yes, my lord.
You get the everything ready.
Thursday, my lord.
Okay, Thursday. Third, Mr.
UK Goswami.
UK Goswami, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Mr.
Yes, Bhattacharya.
D.S. Bhattacharjee for
Respond number 2 and
respond number 1 and 2.
1 and 2.
Mr. M.U. Mondal appears for respond number 4. And Mr. D. Chakrabarty appears for respond number 5. On the prayer, the parties list the matter on Thursday. This Thursday. It's a small issue. Nothing.
I think 6.
Yes,
Lordship, this-
I know it's a contractual dues.
Lordship,
We have raised the point that it's a time, but PNRD had filed an affidavit.
That's all.
Yes.
Only that point, no other point.
Because in fact, what has happened, the learned counsel appear on the behalf of the petitioner, expired in the meantime.
So, his
They
wife
have
is
changed.
still.
The matter was earlier parted also.
So?
Then thereafter it was released. The issue is whether this bill is accepted or not. It's a very long time bar claim. It cannot be entertained in a.
No. That will take care. That will take care. So are you admitting to the claim or not
No,
admitting?
not it.
You have not verified.
No, it's for the PNRD department. I appear for the state election commission.
So who has to decide?
The
Whether
PNRD department is the paying department.
Okay, it's the paying department, but it is, the supply has been made to you.
Here already the election commission also have filed their affidavit.
Who? Election
Election
Commission.
Commission. And PNRD have not filed their affidavit.
Yes, PNRD, yes.
Admitted.
You have admitted.
Lordship, is there in the record?
Where is their affidavit, madam?
Yes, it's there in affidavit of official is there.
You said they have not they have not filed.
Election commission, Lordship.
Madam, PNRD and Election Commission are two different things. Have the PNRD filed an affidavit?
No.
No. So let them file affidavit. Yes,
Yes, my lord.
or who has to decide that you are only the paying authority, correct?
Yes.
Now, who has to decide whether the claim is correct or wrong?
That can be only deputy commissioner and the election commissioner.
And so they have decided. Yes, you are for the election commissioner.
Yes, sir.
So where is your affidavit? What does it say? What does your affidavit say?
Their affidavit says that our claim is around 20 lakh. And all. Their affidavit says that we are not entitled for 20 lakhs. We are entitled for 2 lakhs something 93.
Then you'll get
That
2
is-
lakhs. That's all.
That is, that-
You see, whatever you are entitled to, you will get. With regard to disputed questions of fact, that you have to go to the civil court.
Lordship.
We can only entertain a writ petition to the extent that it is a admitted fact. We cannot go into it, we cannot have evidence.
Lordship.
You understand? Where is it, para?
Their affidavit in opposition, Lordship. Para 6, para 5, Lordship. para 5 and para 6 also. And they have annexed the bill, annexer 8 lordship. That they are-
Where is the portion or where is the statement that they have admitted 2 lakhs? You're skirting the issue. Where is the admission of 2 lakhs?
Lordship may kindly come to para 7. Petition submitted this bill amounting to rupees 2 lakh. They have said.
Yes, sir. Now, Madam, submission and admission is a different thing. I can submit a letter asking for 30 crores to anyone. Does it mean that it is an admission by the person who receives my letter that they admit to the amount? It's not that. I can ask you today, please give me 1,000 rupees. Does it mean that you admit that then? That is what, where is the admission? Where is the admission?
Page 6 lordship, page 6, second paragraph. On receipt of the bill, commission forwarded the same in original for an amount of rupees 2,92,300 only to the Commissioner Panchayat and Rural Development Assam. Right letter dated
Okay.
subsequently the letter was
So this, where is this letter? 99/2009. At page 6, page 29 of the thing. Internal page
Next.
6.
8 lordship.
Huh? Annexure?
Yes, sir, 8.
Page
Page 25 of this affidavit, lordship.
25?
25 of this affidavit in opposition.
25. Sorry, madam. Page 25 is a
Bill,
letter by the Aryan Films.
bill, and 9.
Huh?
That is a petitioner, madam.
Correct. Where is this letter issued by the commission to the commissioner, PNRD? That is 2009. You are taking me to a letter dated 21/10/2008.
Annexure 9 lordship.
Page
Page 28 lordship.
yes. So you have admitted.
We have just forwarded money.
Why?
Because they are the paying authorities.
They are the paying, but it was paid to you. It's like this, Mr. Council. Supposing he has to pay for my bills. I eat 20 samosas. I tell him this is the bill. So he's going to verify whether I ate. If he's going to verify what I ate, then I have got to say, yes, I ate 20 samosas. So where is your admission? Who is this Secretary State Election Commission? Will tell him to come here. If he's not clarifying the matter. Huh?
But I have been directed to produce the records for us.
Okay, produce the record.
Carried this, but
Ah.
what I found it not was pertaining to that elections, Lord. There was a committee which was constituted, but there, Lord, they have find out, Lord, that in a bulk payment was made. And so far as petitioner is concerned, Lord, all the dues, whoever has been admitted were paid, Lord, and the rest of the amounts have not been paid, Lord, because that were not admitted.
That is not what your affidavit says.
But that's
Your
why, Lord,
affidavit doesn't say
that's why,
anything.
Lord, I was directed to, Lord, call for the records, Lord, it was called for the records.
Yes.
Lord. From the records, Lord, it transpired that the committee was formed to examine whether all bill payments have been.
So where is the committee decision that this is the admitted amount and this is the amount that is paid? Where is that?
There, Lord, I have to find out, Lord.
This is there.
Since the affidavit
I've
was
not asked you to just produce a thing that bring it before us. You've got to read it, Mr. Council.
And
We will listen on Friday. We get ready to read it. Mister, R. Dubey, learned counsel for the State Election Commission, shall go through the records that he has brought today and show the documents pertaining to the verification done with respect to the petitioner's bills. This is the matter of Friday.
Alright. My lord, in this matter, my lord, we are a formal party, my lord. I have some other works, my engineer can appear, my lord. If lordship permit.
You are for whom?
PNRD department, formal party, my lord.
1 to 6.
So BTC is there, my lord.
1 to 6.
Seven to.
Somewhere I read that you have stated that you need 2 months to complete.
Lordship, but already inquiry has been done, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, page number 40, Lordship.
My lord, by an order dated 18/11/2024, my lord, this honorable court directed the BTC authority, my lord, to bring on record by filing an affidavit, the time frame within which the inquiry, which is said to be undertaken against the contractual bills, shall be concluded, my lord. In pursuance to this order, my lord, we have filed an affidavit, my lord, giving an undertaking that, my lord, within 2 months, the inquiry will be completed, my lord.
I know, this is at page 49
We have already filed.
in their affidavit. So we'll give them 2 months time, let them complete.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, they are admitted the fact, Lordship, three revenue circle, Lordship, already they are admitted that they have received the product, Lordship. Their petitioner is suffering, Lordship, 99,98,935 rupees, Lordship. He is in street, Lordship.
However, the instructions as called for only by the time frame of it appears that so why haven't you filed your affidavit?
We have filed,
No,
giving an undertaking, my lord.
no, Mr. Counsel. You see, this court has not asked you for how much time you will take.
No, my lord.
This court has asked you. Yes, earlier it was that you should complete your undertaking, inquiry.
We were basing on the instructions, my lord. Then this honorable court, my lord, on 18/11, my lord.
Okay, right. Mr. S.R. Rama, learned counsel for the BTC submit that in terms of the order dated 18/11/2024, the Principal Secretary BTC has written a letter, has submitted an affidavit, submitted an affidavit stating that the inquiry being conducted into the contractual bills of the petitioner shall be completed within 2 months from the passing of the order dated 18/11/2024. Full stop. Accordingly, leave this matter on Twenty-one 2024. Full stop. In the event the BTC do not submit their affidavit on or before 2025, come on. The writ petition shall be disposed of on the basis of the materials on record. In terms of the findings and decisions already made by the 3 jurisdictional circle officers. Leave the matter on that. That is. Finish.